Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this hexagon cutter mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. To make this, what you have to do is click on this design library, click on toolbox, click on add in now. Now what we are going to do is click on NSI metric, click on power transmission, click on gears. Now choose your gears as per your requirement. So watch carefully what is my requirement. So before I start making, select the front plane, click on sketch. Press escape, select this line, make it horizontal. Now I need to be, I want to know how much big this line going to be. So let's see. So I'm going to import a gear of 30 teeth and a 15 teeth. So 30 plus 15, 30 plus 15 divided by 2, 22.5, and this will be 15. Click OK and exit the sketch mode. Import the spur gear. So make it module 1 and make the number of teeth to be 30. You can increase or decrease the width as per your requirement and increase the nominal shaft diameter to 10. Click OK and close this. Drag again, but this time the number of teeth will be 15 and move downwards and decrease this one to 5 mm. Click OK and close it. So let's see how should you made them. Notice the selected component is fixed, it cannot be moved. So what should I do first? So right click on this component, click on float. So now you can see I can move it. Now rotate it. So click on here, click on this line, view temporary axis, mate, select this point and select this circle, make it concentric, click OK. Similarly, select this circle, select this point, make it concentric, click OK. Select this face and this face, click OK. Select this face and the front plane, click OK. Press Ctrl plus 8 for now masking to the view. Now by pressing Ctrl, drag it. Go to the mates, select this and this point, make it concentric, click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now just adjust this gear size. After that what we have to do is, I have to define something called mate. So go to the mate. What kind of mate? Mechanical. Click on gear. Select this one and this one. So 10 by 5. I think it will work. Let's see. Yep, it's working. Click OK. By default, just to know if you want to learn what is the right and professional way, check out the basically my course link in description. Click OK. Let's see if it is working or not. Yep, it's working. Okay guys, unfortunately there is some function going on in the background and it will going to create a lot of noise. So I'm going to shut my mouth. So just try to understand what I'm doing. Sorry for that, I can't do anything for it.